In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send customer statement in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a clear statement for a customer and send it by email or print it for your records. Start by opening Xero in your web browser and signing in if you're prompted. From the main dashboard, head to the top navigation and choose Contacts. This is where Xero stores all your customer and supplier records, and it's the quickest path to the statement tools we need. Inside Contacts, switch to the Customers view. This filters your list to customers only, so you're not sorting through suppliers. Use the search bar or scroll to find the customer you want. Click the customer's name to open their profile. Here, you'll see their activity, invoices, and payments, everything Xero uses to build a statement. On the customer page, look for the New button. Right beside it, you'll find a 3 dots menu. Click that menu to reveal more actions for this contact, then choose Send Statements. This opens the statement preparation screen for the selected customer. Now pick the statement type that best suits your purpose. Outstanding statements show what's currently due and overdue, great for reminders and collections. Activity statements show all activity within a period, including invoices, payments, and credits, ideal for reconciling accounts or sharing a full history. After you choose the type, adjust any relevant dates or options if they're available, then click Update to refresh the preview. Take a moment to scan the preview for accuracy. Confirm the opening and closing balances, the list of transactions, and the totals. When you're happy with the preview, decide how you want to deliver it. If you choose to email, Xero will prepare an email with the statement attached as a PDF. Review the recipient address to make sure it's correct, and customize the subject and message so your customer understands what the statement covers and what action you're expecting. Then send it directly from Xero. If you prefer a physical copy or need to keep a local file, select the print option. Your browser's print dialog will appear, and you can either print it right away or save it as a PDF for your records or for secure file sharing. That's it. You've navigated to the customer, opened the statement tool, selected the right type, updated the preview, and sent or printed the statement. With these steps, you can consistently provide clear, professional statements that help customers stay on top of their balances and keep your receivables running smoothly.